Hey, how's it going folks? ET here with another iMovie tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to do this. And what is this, you might ask? This is a freeze frame with a title. Okay, let's get into it. Alrighty, so here's what the actual project looks like before we're gonna build it. Let me just explain this real quick. We have a clip with a freeze frame, and then I drop the title right on top, and of course we have a music track at the bottom here. So let me go ahead and delete all this and we'll show you how to do it. Okay, now let me grab this piece of video here. I'm gonna drag it into the timeline here. I'm gonna mute the sound. And within this clip here, I'm looking for the point where it kind of opens up. And I feel like that'll be a good point for the title to kind of come in there, right? Probably right about here. So I'm going to right click on it and we're going to do add freeze frame right there. So what iMovie does is it pauses the video for a certain amount of time and then it smooths and rolls back into it. And you can control the duration of the pause by dragging this in or out, depending on how long you want it or how short you want it. Okay, we'll just leave it like that. So let's have a quick look here. Pause, and then back into the motion. So now we have our motion doing pretty good here. Let's go ahead and find that title up here. And the title is called Split. So we'll go ahead and grab that. And I'm gonna drag it right here. Then I'm gonna drag it to match the area of the freeze frame. And you'll have to play with the length of it here by watching the actual clip once you type in your text, and you can tell actually how you want it to be. So let's do freeze frame. Okay. And I want this to be black. Let's do black here. Okay. So let's have a quick view here. Okay, so it froze too early before my actual title was there, so let's do that. And I think it ended a little bit too quick. So I have the title moving in a little bit before and a little bit after because it's a dynamic title. We have movement. But this is all personal preference, how you want it to kind of look. And when I made this clip, I thought that looked the best here. So let's have another look real quick. That's definitely, let me shorten this freeze frame up just a little bit, move these. So freezes, the title comes, and then it goes away. So that's basically it. And I would pretty much go up here and I grab some audio, I drop it down here, and then I delete the, the excess here. Let me make this smaller so you can see it better. There we go. Okay. And you can have the music ramp in or ramp out or whatever you need to do basically to have that sound, that look and feel that you want. So when I was coming up with this, I thought, I wanted to do a more interesting way to do titles instead of just flashing it up. So I figured with the camera panning, you pause real quick at that freeze frame and then you show the title and then you keep going. So, maybe it'll help you with your projects. I guess that's it for today. We'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.